How to add Lottie animation in Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add Lottie animation into your Wix website. So we're going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to see the site's dashboard. Now what we're going to do is going to be very simple. We're going to select the website that we want to add the Lottie animation to it. We're going to find the website like that. This is the dashboard of it. We're going to click on design site and we're going basically here to see all of the component of the website. Now, what can we see or what can we do here is going to be very simple. We're going to head over the website. We're going to wait for the website to load up and we're going to add the animation to the animations into it. So here we have our website and we are going to add a new section into it. I'm going to add a new section. Here we have the section. So we are going to add an element to it by clicking on the left side of the screen, which is going to be representing the elements by having this plus button. We are going to not add a text because it is not going to be a text animation, but it is going to be a specific animation for icons. So we are going to head over the embed code, and from the embed code we're going to have animations. We're going to see Lottie or Lottie. So we're going to add it to our site. As you can see, this is one of the animations that we have. Basically, we can see that we have a lot of animations. This is the most standard one here. We can go ahead and change the animation by clicking on it, and then we're going to have the animation URL. So you can have some options like play in loop, show, pause, and play buttons, and set up the accessibility. Now to change the animation, you need to head over the Lottie files. So the Lottie files is going to be a website. This website is going to contain, as you can see, these type of animations, and we can go ahead and download them, or we can go ahead and have this animation. So either you are going to have, as you can see here, the let's say the plugin, for example, for Wix. You can go ahead and have the plugin here added. So we're going to wait for a few seconds, and it is going to get the animation. For example, we're going to have here the thing set up, and we are going basically to have the link, copy it, head over here. So it is going to be the asset. I'm going to put a link right here so we can go ahead and remember it. Also, this link is going to be copied here. So as you can see, we need a JSON file. So the JSON file is going to be as a download. So you're going to download it as a JSON file. You need to download or log in first, and then you're going to put your animation from here. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.